Did you all bring that fender?
Yes, we did.
Perfect. Yeah, we're not going to be far behind you.
All these people are having fun.
We're just starting.
No,
We're only going right here.
it's going to get wet here real quick.
We brought this with us. We just got here like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, we're gonna spend 5 minutes walking and that's it.
No, but so each tree here is labeled. There's a little sign on the bottom of each tree
Oh, I see it.
that tells you exactly what it is,
Oh, that's cool.
and you can see how many different types of things there are here.
This looks like a pine tree.
Kinda, yeah. It is a variation of a pine tree.
Oh, weeping white pine, actually.
A weeping pine.
Oh, weeping
And
Yes.
This has to be
pine.
a holly. Brilliant hybrid holly.
Yeah, they have berries. Look at that.
No, they're
Okay, so I'm
poison.
liking this.
This is gorgeous. That sounds like torrential downpour. Figure out. Let's go up to the stop right here, and then we'll turn back.
That sounds like a good idea.
I mean, it could be fun. Getting wet.
And no, yeah, I mean, the torrential part means something.
Yes, yes. Beware of snakes. That sound says turn back.
She just
You hear the wind picking up above it, and I just saw some rain.
There's something telling us.
Yep, I just
Get
saw
back
some
to your
rain.
Car
Yeah.
Now.
You're starting to see leaves fall.
Yeah, I was gonna say the wind is picking up. It's telling us get to your car.
I'm not from here, but I can recognize warning signs.
It's saying you got here too late.
Oh, look at how fast the clouds are moving.
Yeah. It's telling us run.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look, there goes
Oh.
branch. Or,
Yeah, there is never a day that there isn't a leaf falling. Even in the middle of winter, all winter long, leaves hit the ground.
Ooh, what's this one? Maple?
No,
No, oak. Oak. Yep.
No.
This has so far been a daily occurrence of rain.
And the lights are out.
yes.
Yeah, power's out again.
I was gonna say, you can tell. Well, because of the rain, it's cooled it off in here a little bit, so hopefully car stick won't happen too badly.
Oh, darn it! Here's my room.
He's like, oh,
You
man.
did it again. Hey, don't miss it again. Oh, that was a big branch.
You hit a branch. Oh, this is probably covered with branches.
Yeah. We'll take her slow.
Hey, there's a branch down.
Oh my.
Oh, we may not be able to go all the way.
That's a good one.
Oh.
Nope, you're not moving.
Oh my God.
That is a
and that's
tree.
The power line.
Well, can you call anybody and let them know the power line's down over here?
No.
He's like, nope, not gonna happen.
Yeah, don't touch anything.
Ticks.
No, not ticks. Electricity.
Yeah. It's a conduit. Is that what those are called?
Yeah, you will be the conduit.
Is there another way back to your house? No, this isn't the way to his house. He was trying to take us down a path, but the storm.
What are you doing?
It's wet out there.
Well, this place would be nice to around when it's not.
This is neat because it's all covered all the way down to the valley below.
Yeah, and that whole crew just completely knocked over.
You said
There's one down there that's
did you say that was the pole?
huh?
Was that a pole to the power line, or was that just a?
There was a power line pole that
Fair
didn't have
enough.
any wires on it.
Yeah. Fair enough.
Oh, this road's off limits for a while.
Yeah.
Well, we found it.
Yeah, we did. It's a nice, fun drive.
I just gotta wait for those guys to show up there.
I love it when it rains because I have watered my plants today. So, you know what? It really doesn't do my plants very well. Oh, I should give you one of the tomatoes to try.
Oh, there we go!
The cherry tomatoes. You getting him? You don't want to play in the rain, Bailey?
Yeah, I was gonna say, take your shoes off.
Take them over here and go out. Fine. I don't like taking my shoes off. Oh, go sit down. There you go. Go your hands over there. All right. There you go. Get wet, you don't have to shower. Come on, Bailey, move around. You guys should play tag.
We are.
Who's